Welcome back to my morning report chart proposals on Friday the 5th of June, non-farm payrolls day with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to move on to dollar yen now. And we've seen a pretty much a bit of a consolidation building, really. I was sort of talking previously about the fact that momentum was beginning to roll over and sort of just lack the impetus to drive this chart higher. And it seems as though this sort of momentum is sort of tailing off, but not necessarily in a corrective way. It's sort of more of a consolidation fashion, and we've seen a fairly decent sort of run higher early doors today, 38 ticks to the upside, so reasonable move on this dollar yen chart. It still moves sideways, but looks like it could be beginning to move back towards the highs again. However, this hourly chart that we've got here, it still really does sort of show a bit more of a range play. The RSI, certainly if you say, for example, see the RSI falling over again around that 70 point in a peak, then maybe that would be sort of confirmation more that we're seeing more of a range play than what could be a breakout to the upside. I mean, there's a lot of caveat to that, because obviously we've got payrolls today, and payrolls is likely to create a lot of volatility. So we could see a continuation, say, of this move on the daily chart to the upside. And if I just zoom out a little bit, you can see that upside target remains that 2570 mark, which is that projection of the upside breakout from that range, that old range. However, for now, you've got a still you're in this range play, and whether we break out or not remains to be seen. There's a slight move to the upside. You're only sort of 30 ticks away from the highs at the moment, but you do have this cautious nature of trading normally in the run up to payrolls, so it'll be interesting to see if we do sort of fall over again underneath that 2503 mark. But as the moving averages are sort of consolidated and are turning higher, then yes, you would argue there is a slightly positive outlook, and I'm sort of now leaning back away from calling this as a corrective play. So I'm saying that dollar yen does have this tendency to sort of drop into more of a consolidation phase over a number of weeks and sort of lack that upside move. So it could be that we're seeing that, even if you do see a break above 2503. I'm not necessarily saying that that's going to be a big breakout to the upside and we're going to see massive moves and massive gains. I think it could be that dollar yen might start to settle down a bit, but at the moment, obviously, there is a sort of slightly positive bias, and you would have to say that with the fact that you've got some sort of upside in the last 3 days and a positive move today. So you do have payrolls, so I am a little bit cautious still ahead of this, but at the moment it's looking okay for the upside. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on the dollar yen today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.